Welcome to another CMD tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open control panel from CMD or using CMD. Alright, first up, go ahead and go to your search bar and type in CMD. Once done, it's up to you if you want to use the basic command prompt or the administrative command prompt. Alright, I'm just going to click on the basic one. Now what we're going to do in here is just go back to the root directory, which is C. This is where our operating system is installed. All right. Now to do that, let's go ahead and type in cd / and just hit on enter. As you can see here, we are now currently using drive C. Now let's just type in control space panel. All right. Hit on enter. As you can see here we have our control panel. And that's basically how you do it. Now another cool trick here, if you want to open up another command prompt right here, just type in start, hit enter, and there you have it. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and of course, I'll see you in the next one.